Here I have Doogee S98, and today I'm going to show you how to record videos in slow motion on this device. So firstly you have to open camera, then switch to the more modes and select slow motion. So let's record something in slow motion. I'm gonna record this flower rolling and show you how it works. So here I am rolling a flower. So recording is done, and now I'm going to show you how the slow motion video looks like. So here we go. Whoa, have you ever seen this flower rolling so slowly and smoothly? Unbelievable, yeah? And now it's rolling backwards, even slower. Wow. Just like in some action movie. So yeah. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.